But yeah, we got a nice little load going. Nice little load going. Everything must go, YouTube. We're grinding super hard. And OMG, there's a lot of stuff here. Let me just say that. Yeah. Washer and dryer staying. The fridge is getting scrapped upstairs. For a grand total of Good morning, good morning, good morning. Started with a completely empty truck. Just got a very little bit of metal. And I had these wires, but that's it. We're gonna fill this thing up and make it to the scrap yard. It's a heat wave again today. Let's get it. We grinding, guys. We grinding. Real quick, there's not a whole lot of scrap. I got a lamp. And I just used this stone rake to pull that TV out of this dumpster. I'm gonna throw it in here and keep moving. Okie dokie, I'm turning in here because I seen a dog cage up there at that dumpster, and I think there's an umbrella right here. Let's get it. This is all wood and crap, but this looks like metal in this corner. You just take the MD special and leave the rest. And that's empty. Let's just get this loaded and go. Starting to make a load. There's a dog cage, I think, up here. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Right across from where I just was. I was just right there. Loading up a bed frame. I got a metal chair. It's actually very slow. Oh, there's a tripod in there and a crutch. There's not much scrap. There's another crutch in there too. But I'm getting whatever I can. And we are gonna turn this into a load, even if I gotta work late today. Remember, we started with absolutely nothing. I looked in this dumpster that I was at the other day. Very little bit of like cooking, restaurant metal. Got another bed frame and some wire fencing mesh stuff. Thrown in here is one piece of copper, guys. It's hard out here. The MD special still in there. We're gonna keep going. Ladies and gentlemen, I just got a flat screen. Slow day, boy. There's one more flat screen in this dumpster. This one's completely empty. Yeah, this is like a very slow day, guys. This is where all the scrappers always come. So I'm sure people were here over the weekend too. Dun, dun, dun. 2 TVs. I'm gonna grab that base and go look for some more stuff. Still hustling though. Nothing. On to the next one. We got a bike. Sheesh, look at the size of this. Solid steel. Just stock. There's a chair, a refrigerator, and a plant base. So I'll move some crap around. I'm gonna load this up and get going. Yeah. No. Got it. Chair. said this base for this plant as well. Strap this in and go, guys. Cut the cord off. Okay guys, it's been a very slow day, and I just got that fridge. Here's another fridge sitting out. I probably just gotta load this up and go. But yeah, that'll be 2 fridges. I gotta move some stuff around, so let me stop talking and get this fridge on here. Okay YouTube, I'm gonna go empty my truck bed at the scrapyard. It's not a lot of weight at all. I would be surprised if it was $50, honestly, because I'm going to look at a clean out at a doctor's office that's like 5 minutes from the scrapyard. But yeah, let's go throw all this crap out. I'm almost at the yard. I'm like a minute from there. I'm guessing around 6,800 pounds, huh? Or less, probably less. Wow, 6,800 exactly. So roughly 600 pounds times 7 is like $42. It's hard out here, YouTube. It's hard out here. Quickly now. These are steel. Come on, Mr. Fridge. Okay. This thing is steel. Today I'll just literally grabbed anything and everything metal and threw it in there as quick as possible. Bye-bye TV. Oh yeah, this is all tied together. Come on, baby. Okay. There's that big giant bolt I found earlier. Thing was heavy. These are both stainless. This is a mess. Untie this is going to take a second. Long story short, alright guys, I'm gonna go get back on the scale and then get footage when I'm finished. What was it, 68? It's probably like around 62, 61, 20, 6100. Or what we got? 49 bucks, I believe. I'm gonna go get the ticket, get it signed, and get paid, guys. YouTube, really fast. That was a simple steel run. 700 pounds at 7 cents for a whopping 20, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, $49. Sheesh. It's okay. Going to look at this job right now. Hopefully I get it, and if not, it's still okay. On to the next one. Thank you guys for watching the street scrapping episode. Ugh. Careful now, buddy. Now I got a washer and dryer to get to. Go load this one out there. There's a bunch of change falling around in this one. It's always these ones that had a solid, usually the back will be wrapped around and you can't get it off. All right, I'm gonna go load this in the truck too, and then there's one more down there. This is one of them heavy ones. I think there's, no, it's an LG, but they make all black Samsung ones that are extremely heavy as well. Yeah, that actually took a while, but yeah, 3 appliances in one stop. Not bad, not bad. Hustling, hustling. Okie dokie. So I got a stove after that, and now another maintenance man called me. So I gotta quickly throw all this in here, run over to Middle River area and get some more appliances, and then go to the scrapyard. But take this off first. I bent my freaking hand truck. These plates got smashed onto the tire multiple times, so when I bent it back a few times, the weld came loose. So my brother's gonna help me mess with his welder soon. Yeah, let's get it, guys. Okay guys, I just went and grabbed a refrigerator, a stove, 2 stoves, the doors to the fridge, and this AC. Said the compressor's all messed up on there, but there's copper and radiator, so I need that. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it off right now. I might just do a steel run, because I gotta put everything in the storage unit in here as well. But yeah, we got some stuff to pack in here like Tetris, make all this happen. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Look at them macaronis. I didn't have any scrap lined up when I woke up today. Yesterday's scrap run was a little slow. I think I showed on here I only made like 49 bucks, and then I rushed to go do an estimate, and the guy said not until next week, so I stopped for no reason. All right, I'm gonna load all this together, guys. But yeah, we got a nice little load going. Nice little load going. Everything must go, YouTube. We're grinding super hard. A little aluminum, a little bit of copper. I got it all loaded up. I've been here over an hour. Cut out the radiator. There's a tub up there. Sheesh, it's about to storm really, really bad. If you can see, it's nice over here. It's not nice over there. Closing this unit up and going. Oh, these are stainless steel. I gotta take these as well. Let's get it to the scrap yard, Batman. Dun, 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 dun. Huh. Okay, I made it down here. Get weighed in. It's kind of heavy. 74.60. That ain't too bad. Yeah. Let's go throw this out, guys. Okay. I'll throw this out as fast as possible. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna throw the rest of this out and get more footage in 1 minute. Huge pile of steel. Weighing out, ladies and gentlemen, 6,220 pounds. From what, 72.80, 74.80? I think we got 1,240 and a little bit of non-ferrous. It's not much. Go get the ticket sign and then go do the non-ferrous real fast. Okay, and then get paid and go home. It's been a long day. I have an estimate to do actually afterwards. In Perry Hall, Maryland. Hopefully I get this clean out job really fast. 1,220 pounds. I believe at 7 cents. It's around 85-ish. I'm gonna go get the sign and do the non-ferrous really quick. There's a wall of steel beams right there. All different colors. That's crazy. A pyramid of them. The land of non-ferrous. With a small line ahead of us. YouTube. Okie dokie. We have 1,220 pounds at 7 cents. It's almost $85, I believe, 84, something like that. Let's see here. $3.29 for aluminum, $19 in sealed units. Number 2 copper, 20. The clean copper aluminum rads was 36 bucks. The 2 irony sheet aluminum 34, and then clean stainless steel $1.20 for a grand total of $81.03 equals 100, 20, 40, 65, and 1 soda. Yeah, it's a severe storm watch. If you look on the edge, they said up to 60-mile-an-hour rain, winds, and hail, tornadoes, everything. And I'm driving straight into it to go look at a clean out. Let's get it. Everything must go, even in a tornado or a torrential downpour. It doesn't matter at all. Look at this load on here, guys. Sheesh. I started like a 5 or 6 load clean out yesterday, and it's pouring down rain, so I'm sure everything absorbed water and got way heavier overnight. Let's get it. Sheesh. Ladies and gentlemen, YouTube. Say hi. This is what we got on our hands. Full townhouse clean out. I done one crazy in here yesterday. But yeah, the whole upstairs is full. And OMG, there's a lot of stuff here. Let me just say that. Yeah. Washer and dryer staying. The fridge is getting scrapped upstairs. Ta-da! Anything I can recycle, I'm recycling. Anything not, is getting thrown out. Let's get it. I don't just recycle. Piece of cake. It's only 5, 6 loads. Nothing. YouTube. So I showed you guys I was cleaning out a townhouse earlier. Well, I went to the landfill twice. After my second trip, this maintenance dude hit me up and said he had an air conditioning unit. So I stopped what I was doing and went and picked it up. Now, I took the unit to my storage and another maintenance dude hit me up and he's got 2 of them. So I'm getting both of these now. And then I gotta take them back to my storage unit, which is like 15 minutes from here. But I'm getting 3 air conditioning units I didn't even plan on getting. Let's freaking get it, YouTube. We will take it. Yeah. My next scrap footage will be me chopping up 3 air conditioners. How you like that? Yeah. Grinding. 3 full loads since yesterday. 3 air conditioners, and I'm going back for a 4th load all today, and it's already 4:15 p.m. I'm so tired. Let's get it. Let's get it. YouTube. So the 3 AC units I got yesterday, I stopped. I did 1 more load from the townhouse clean out. I stopped. I'm gonna bust all this down and then take it to the yard tomorrow morning. But first I gotta go to the same house and get a refrigerator and a stove out of there and take all the stuff that can be scrapped. But for right now, we're busting these down as fast as we can. It's raining kinda. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Yeah. This brass part always gets, these 2 bolts are always rusted. Like impossible to get off for some reason. Just them specific 2 bolts. We're cutting stuff up. Got some number 2 macaroni. Some number 1, not bad. Very little bit of brass. Back there is a whole bunch of pile radiator mess and crap. We are saving all our screws. Oh, that's an all aluminum radiator. The whole thing. Still got more to go. Let's get it, YouTube. I'm hot. It's raining. It's humid. Grinding. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday it started completely pouring, so I quickly threw these furnaces on the back. Got my little satellite dish in here. A little bit of wet brass. Before I go to the scrap yard, I'm going to that same house I'm cleaning out. I gotta remove the refrigerator and stove out of there. We're going to get it in a tornado warning. It keeps flashing on the news, take shelter, all that. So Mr. Tornado, I only need like 1 hour to get this stove and refrigerator out of this townhouse. Hold off for an hour for me. Let's get it in a tornado warning. Yeah.
Heavy passing through Maryland this morning with scattered heavy thunderstorms, isolated tornadoes possible within the rain. So make sure you have a way to get severe weather alerts. This will all become more isolated in the afternoon and then taper off tonight. During the day, gusts to 40 miles per hour, which may result in isolated tree damage and power outages. There's also minor to moderate coastal flooding along the bay today and through tonight's high tides. High of 81 today. We'll be in the 70s for the Ravens game as the storms taper off, and we expect more sun this weekend. I'm meteorologist Ava Murray.
Some roads.
Okay, quickly, taking all the metal I can out of here as fast as possible. I've been putting little metal stuff in here the whole last few days. There's a microwave, crap like that. There's some lamps, wine things made out of metal downstairs. There's all kind of crap. I'm gonna pull the doors off of this to take a little weight off of it because of the hardwood. Whoops, this stove is going as well, but basically I'm taking whatever metal out that I can real quick to take it all to the scrap yard, and I'm praying that they're not closed because of the bad weather, because that will mess up some things. Silverware, everything. Little toaster, everything. Any kind of metal. Soup spoons, serving spoons, whatever. Alright, let's get it. It's getting very windy out there. I'm kind of worried. Okay, I got a carpet there, a blanket here. Pulled the doors off to take some weight off. Taking this out to the truck. very carefully. It's so windy out there. All this metal's going, and then I'm gonna go in the basement and see what I can get. There's some cords and metal right here. This is metal. Here's the doors. Let's get it. Sheesh, got it that far. Just need to get it out this door without messing up this hardwood. Come on, stove. One-handed. Mr. Blankie, or carpet, whatever. We don't need no big scratches in this hardwood at all. Okay, I'm gonna go load this up and then see what's in the basement and then get out of here. I'm running a little bit late. Whew, imagine that. It's hot, I'm sweating. Okay, YouTube, I called the scrap yard. I'm sweating so bad. They said they're open right now, but they might be closing early. So I loaded what I could in my truck as fast as I could and I rolled out. So I'm praying I get there. It was a 24-minute drive when I first left the house. If I get down here and they're closed, I'm in trouble. It's not good. Come on, hang on there, Al Metals. I'm on my way. As soon as I'm finished, you guys can shut down for the whole weekend. With a full load. Please be open, Al Metals. Please be open. We need it. Today's Friday, they're closed tomorrow, so if they close early today, it messes up a lot for me. And I don't want to go to the city and hope they're open. Ooh, they're open.
Then turn left onto Redmond Lane.
Yeah. Alright, let's go throw this out, y'all. Weighing in. There's a bunch of lamps with cords still on my truck need cut.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Flood Road.
7660. Arr. In the rain. Let's go throw this out, guys. YouTube, I didn't record throwing it out, but I emptied my truck. All this crap. Made it in time. I'm gonna go get on the scale. I got a little bit of Nonferrous, some radiators and such. Yeah, I'm so happy I got to dump everything. Now we're at 64.40 or 60. Yeah. I'm gonna go get my ticket and then go around to the Nonferrous side, guys. It's so humid out here. I'm slimy. My gloves are all wet and nasty. Sheesh. Okay, I'm waiting at the Nonferrous section. It's so hot. Oh my God, I'm leaking. It was 1,220 pounds, YouTube. 1,220 at 7 cents. That was a nice little run. 1,220 at 70 cents. And the Nonferrous was amazing because of those air conditioning units.
In half a mile,
Sealed
turn
units
left onto
36,
Ormond
yellow brass 510, electric motors 420, extension cords $3.60, $36 for number 1 copper, $44 for number 2 copper, aluminum $7, $102 in radiators for $238.50 for a grand total of 100, 200, 300, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bad at all. I'm still doing a clean out, but I'm going to do a job like 9 minutes from here on the way to that clean out. I'm doing like a leaf and brush and branches clean up real quick. Thank you for watching, YouTube. Everything must go.
At the stop sign.
Even in a tornado, watch. Everything must go. On to the next one.